Hi everybody, Mr. Z here, and introduce yourselves.
Hi, this is Damien, he's my brother, and I'm Samantha, and we're going to be making apple cider.
That's exciting. What grades? Will you two tell us what grade you're in?
Damien's in second grade, and I'm in third grade.
And who's your teachers?
Miss Bain. He is Miss Bain, and I have Miss Marchese, but we're getting a new teacher who's Miss Coria.
Okay. So you're going to make apple cider. What do we have in front of us here? Tell us what we have.
Well, I don't know what this is called, but it's going to core the apples and skin them, and then I'm going to cut them on my cutting board, and they're already rinsed, and then we're going to use a juicer to juice the apples, and then over here we're going to put some spice in a bag, or just put it in, and put it on the stove for about 15 minutes.
All right, that sounds good. Before we start cooking, what do we have to do before we start cooking?
We have to wash our hands.
Okay, I'm going to stop the tape now. Why don't you guys wash your hands and then we'll do it. Okay.
So we use a mix so it's not too sour, and also if it's too sour you add a little bit of sugar, but the sweetener is the apples.
Yeah, they're harder to put on.
Yeah.
Okay, so show us what you're going to do now, Damien.
He's gonna roll the apple and it gets skinned. That's good. Then you pop it off, and I will cut it in half, and I will put it in a weed, which I don't know what we have right now. I'll put them in here because I don't know.
How many apples do you do at once when you're doing this?
Well, we put one apple at a time at here, but we can put multiple apples in here if they fit.
Oh, so you can only do as much as will fit.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we have to push this down to make it.
Damien, can you show that with one more apple so people can see how you do that with one more
Use
apple?
a red apple next. Or green apple. I'm going to do a red apple so it's sweet.
So that's what you were talking about, Samantha, how
Yeah.
you have some sweet and some sour.
Because Granny Smith apples.
We don't want it too sweet, or else people will not like it too.
People like a little bit of balance when they drink their cider.
Yeah. Put the apple back in the bin. Skin's going there.
There's still more skin on here.
What the heck?
So what do you guys do with the skin?
I don't know. We could feed it to our chickens.
But we usually put it in here.
Or we don't put these in here though. We just put the apples in here.
I'm gonna take it off.
Okay.
There's still skin on it.
Still skin on it. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut it. There. In half. And we put these in here. So I'll move that over there.
Our granny does have a apple tree right
And
next
right
to
there.
our house.
These in here.
That's right, your mom was telling me. Where did you get these apples from?
Granny's
Some
tree.
of the apples are from Granny's tree. Some of them are from the school lunches.
Okay.
So there's a mix of apples here.
All right, so you've got them peeled, you've got them cored, you've got them cut.
The core's in here. I'm gonna pull it out.
It fell when I tried to pull it off.
Got it out. Put that in there. Then I don't really know how much we need.
We have to be careful
Before
once
we
they
start
got
putting it
stuck
in the
here. They
Yeah.
once got stuck.
On our test practice, when Damien was pulling the core off, it just goes flying because it's hard to pull off.
So it could be a little bit messy sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the broken one.
Let's see if it'll work.
Yeah.
The little piece is falling off.
I bet the little piece.
Also, we had.
Wait.
That's okay. All right, so now you've cut them. You want to show us how the juicer works?
Yes.
Okay.
We only have a little, but we still use the juicer.
Okay.
And the juice will come out here when you push it down. It goes much faster if you push this down. Otherwise, the juice takes longer to come out.
Why don't you show us how to do that then?
First, you will fill it up with apples. Sometimes until it gets super full.
So you got a little teamwork. I see Damien's still working on the apples. You do the knives and the juicing. You guys work well together. You make a good apple cider team.
I do the juicing too.
Is that why that tool is going to help you push them in?
Yeah. There. Now we will turn it up. It's loud though.
Wow.
And that's it. We only have a little more. But I think we can do it one more time before we have to.
Do you ever just drink the juice right as it comes out?
No.
Maybe. You can sieve. There's like sometimes you get a little bit of pulp or skin and you sieve out. But otherwise, it's fine to drink.
Yeah, we once flung one piece of these flung in on our test bench.
Yeah, one of the cores on our test practice flung in the bowl, and we had to sieve it out. So it was funny.
You don't want chunky apple cider.
Nope. And there's no more apples in here, so just push it in, and then
a few more apples.
there. We have a little bit of apple.
Can I get up close so I can see that?
Sure.
It's a nice color.
Yes.
All right, so what's the next step? You got some juice.
Yeah. Once you do enough apples, the first test practice we went about to 1 cup, but we already have some cooking, but you would add a little mulling spice either right in, or if you have a bag, you pour it in.
So what's mulling spice?
It's some spice. It has like cinnamon and other things. I don't know what all in it, but it does have ground nutmeg because Mom thought she saw some in here.
So it adds flavor to your cider.
Yeah. So we don't need to
Can I show the cider?
Sure.
So you've already got some mulling spice in that
Yeah.
bag right there.
And then you would cook it for about 15 minutes. That's what we did last time.
Question for you guys: do you like the warm apple cider or the cold apple cider? Do you have a preference?
I like warm apple cider better if it's not too hot.
Mm-hmm.
Because it burns my tongue a bit. But I don't mind cold apple cider if we don't have a heater.
It kind of looks like there's bugs.
Can I see?
There's no bugs. It's just this part looks weird.
Oh my!
It looks like grass coming off the apple. Because that's the
Some of the
core.
apples didn't core.
The apples. It's a bit messy job though.
It looks like fun though.
This one
Yeah.
got rotten already.
These are stuck together with the apple still on it. Like,
I'd be tempted to just eat the apples as I'm peeling them.
yeah. We'll cut these in a little bit.
Okay. All right. It looks like Mom's helping you guys get some cider. Do you want to try it?
Yes.
And then we'll let the camera know how it tastes or how you guys did.
Yeah, we have 3 cups here. 1 for each of us. Damien, me, and you.
I can try some too.
Yes.
Okay. Damien, you want to come try some cider?
I just want to get this apple.
Okay.
There's samples. All right. You can see how hot it is. Look at the steam.
Hot. It's gonna be hot, so
Maybe blow on it a little bit.
yeah. I like apple cider, but I don't like it when it's hot. It gets so hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should blow on. Oh man, that's good. You can taste the spices that you were talking about.
On our test bench,
I'm gonna wait a few minutes.
I was stirring and my hand got sweaty.
Yeah, it's really hot a little bit here.
Well, this is a really neat project. Is there anything else you want to tell the camera about making apple cider that you think people should know about?
I like making apple cider,
Mm-hmm.
and it's pretty fun. It's a bit messy, but it's fun to do. And you need to wash your hands and then have these.
I'm gonna wait
You can-
because my hot.
Earlier, Dad was saying you can even use, you don't even need to peel it, but you can use like a potato peeler or something. And we also have these treats
have
that
2
we
more
made.
apples
They're
left.
also made from apples, but Preston made them.
Oh, Preston. Who's Preston?
Oh, Preston is our big brother.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, try them. They're like granola bars made of apples.
Okay, I'll definitely give that a try. And then it looks like there's another treat right here. Tell the
These
camera
are
what this is.
dried apples. We have a dryer right here, and we use like sprinkled cinnamon, and we dry them in here when they're cut. But
Damien, I have a sense that this is your favorite part of the job right here.
Yeah.
Not much.
On our test practice, when Damien was doing this, it got stuck and dug a hole
No.
in the apple, and it had gotten stuck
Oh gosh.
because it was in too deep of a hole to move on to the next section to peel. So it got like a deep
Yeah, I
hole.
think I
and
tried
it was really
doing it
funny.
when it was like this, and it kept going.
And like there was a bigger hole than this, but this is like kind of what it looked like. It was like deep in the apple,
Mhm.
a hole. It was
Well, this
fun.
is pretty cool. Well, thank you guys for sharing. Damien, is there anything else you want to say before we go? Do you want to try the cider, see how it came out?
I'll try it.
I think it's probably cooled off a little bit. Even though it's steaming, you can blow on it a little bit.
Hot.
All right, tell us what you think.
Let's see. It's good and sweet. Not too sweet, but it's hot.
Well, you did a good job. Thank you, Samantha. Say goodbye to the camera.
Bye.
Damien, thank you so much. Say goodbye to the camera.
Bye.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching.